Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1972 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. It is a real Super Sport with the K code, real K code car in the VIN. So that's how you can detect these Super Sports in this particular year. This SS car has a 350 motor in it. Okay, it's a 4-bolt main motor, and we're gonna go over a couple more details when I pop the hood. Factory color code Mulsanne Blue 26, which has been repainted. The paint job, in my opinion, is about a 7.5, 8 out of a 10. It's not perfect, but it's nice. It's not gonna win you a 6-foot trophy, but it's definitely gonna be reliable. You're able to go to the car shows and cruise nights and have a great time. Pop the hood, pop the trunk. Very solid Nova. I'm gonna progress in this video here. As you can see, nice wheels, BF Goodrich radial TA tires. The hood is not aligned properly on the Nova. I think the hinge here needs to be adjusted a little bit, as you can see that, okay? There is a small little ding somewhere here. Here it is. There's a ding right here. There it is. You see right there. There's a small little ding. I'm going to try and get that out. I'm sure we can. But I want to be straight up honest with everyone because I don't tell you nothing that I don't see. Okay, everything that I see, I will point out that is a concern or a negative or a blemish or anything like that. The trim around all the glass is in very good condition. It's got dual sport mirrors, vent windows. They do open for nice air circulation. If those of you who don't know that, open up all the way. When you're going down the road, the air comes right here and then right through here. We are reupholstering the seat. Okay, continuing here. Again, I will point out anything that I see negative on the body as I progress in my video. Chrome trim, dual exhaust. I mean, the chrome and the trim look fabulous. Dual exhaust. It's got a 10-bolt leaf springs in the back like they came. Runs, drives very nice. The shine on the paint is very nice as well. As you can see, the 6x9s in the package tray. Glass has some, a couple little scratches. This one is original to the car. Door handles look great. And again, the passenger side body is very nice on the Nova. There's your dual sport mirror, your vent window. Trim looks good. No damage to the front windshield. There's your antenna. Front chrome bumper looks good. Grille is solid. Just a good looking Mulsanne Blue Nova. You see here is a little ding right there. See it in the wave? I'm gonna try and get that out too. Interior, again, bucket seat console. It's got the TCI shifter in it. Door panels appear to be original to the car. They're not perfect, but the wood grain here is saying, hey, that's what the SS's came with. Door panels are cheap if you wanted to replace them. They're on eBay for 150 bucks. Weather stripping looks good. Door jambs look good. Newer door sill plates. SS factory original steering wheel. No cracks in the dash. The headliner is loose right now. My headliner guy is gonna come in and tighten that up. Rear seat with the belts, and like I mentioned earlier, your 6x9s in the package tray. All right, let's pop open the trunk. Weather stripping looks good. Now the quarters, when I get my hand underneath here as far as the sheet metal, from here down, okay, from right here all the way down across is all new sheet metal on the driver's side, and the same thing on the passenger side. And they did a nice, smooth, clean job on both sides. Trunk, very solid. Spare tire. Floor is solid. Okay, passenger side now. Everything there looks good. Nice door handles. Again, the trim on the passenger side is nice. They added the 6-inch tweet or the 5-inch in a door. Usually you can buy the kick panels and with built-in speakers, but to each their own. All the jams look good, and seat belts all intact. As you can see, an aftermarket radio there with the triple gauge package. There's a tiny little crease here. I don't know if right in here. I'm going to try and get that out as well. We have a dent guy that will come in. All right, let's see what's under the hood. It is pretty clean underneath here. All right. Nice chrome valve covers. No overheating issues. There's nothing leaking. Newer hoses throughout. As you can see, upgraded ignition system with new wires. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a 350 4-bolt main motor. It's got headers, ceramic coated headers, Edelbrok 4-barrel 650 CFM carburetor on the car. The rear end is a 355 gear ratio. Okay, so it's great for highway mileage. You got your power steering and your front disc brakes. So there you have it. Now all we got to do is start it. Sounds like a little monster. Sounds good, right? Engine is nice. I love crate motors, man. And the reason for that is because they dyno the heck out of them. They let them run and run and run before they sell their crate motors. It's awesome. Well, there you have it. All right, so just a little bit more details I want to give you guys. All right. Alrighty. So, on the Nova, the turn signals, we do a pre-delivery inspection, okay? The turn signals work, headlights function, brake lights work, wipers work, radio works, heat defrost works, horn is not working, tire pressure is good. We changed and checked all the oil, okay? From the engine oil to coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, fuel gauge works, and yes, it has a spare tire. Odometer shows 53,131 miles. Now keep in mind, I'm going to fix the driver's seat, okay? We're gonna reupholster the driver's seat. We're gonna tighten the headliner, and we're gonna call our dent buster guy to take out some of the little dings that I showed you earlier in my video. I want to sell you guys a good, honest car with a full description about the car. Underneath is very clean as well, very solid, no overheating problems, no leaks, very reliable, and it's set up for long touring. So I think you guys are getting a very nice Mulsanne Blue factory K-Code Super Sport Nova for a great price. Check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We have over 100 classics that we handpick. We buy all our cars. We don't consign. We put our money in good quality product and go over the cars, explain them correctly to the general public. So, next question. Do we finance? Yes, we do finance. And if you need financing and your credit score, if it's between 625 and 739, we can get you financed. Qualified buyers only, okay? Everyone's credit's a little different. 10% down is required. Rates are between 5 and 6%, maybe a tad more, it depends on your credit. And you would fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com, no prepayment penalty. For those of you who have a credit score higher, meaning 740 or higher, just go directly to my lender's websites, and their rates start at 2.5%, no prepayment penalty, and they go up to 84 months. That website is lightstream.com, so fill out the credit application there. If this car is showing sale pending on our website, do not fill out any credit application. Call us first. For those of you who do not need financing and you're ready to make your investment, call me or text me. I need your zip code to get you a driveway delivery quote. It can go open carrier or enclosed. It's up to you. I can give you quotes for both. You choose. The car leaves here detailed, just so you know, okay? We do spend our money and we detail all our cars. So I will leave my phone number at the end of the video. Now, if you're watching the video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I definitely want to show you guys what I got coming tomorrow. I do these videos every day and talk about these cars every day here at MGM Classic Cars. That's what I do. So I hope you enjoyed your time with us here and the explanation and details of the Nova. We do sell honest, good product here at MGM Classic Cars. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen. Click it. Every time a video pops up, you will get a notification. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to all your friends. Let them know, hey, I might be buying this car. And if you are, it's a great investment. Look at what these Novas have increased in value just in the last 5 years. Do your own homework and you'll see. Good, tangible assets, something you can touch, feel, drive, enjoy. I can't stress it enough. Guys, life is short. Enjoy your life. Get what you want. Okay? It's just a beautiful investment piece that you will not lose money. Okay? Okay, so we are located here in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Saturday, or Monday through Friday for showings from 10 to 4 p.m. and Saturdays from 10 to 2 p.m. If you decide you wanted to drive out, take a trip, look at the cars in person, it's not a problem. Just make an appointment with us. For those of you who want to take advantage of our driveway delivery, all our deliveries are right to your driveway. They're insured for the purchase price of the vehicle, right to your driveway. All right. There you have it, folks. My 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS car. 350 4-bolt main, automatic car, bucket seats. Finished in original Mulsanne Blue paint. One of the most desired colors in the Chevy lineup. My name is Thomas, and thank you for spending your time with me here at mgmclassiccars.com. My number is 847-848-1850. Text, you'll get a quicker response through text. If you don't text, no problem, call. If I don't answer it, leave a message. Somebody will get back to you. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.